Hello dear students, welcome you all at Padhai Ke Fun Day. Today we are going to study about properties of rational number. In our previous video you have seen about the first property of rational number, that is closure. So here we are going to see about the second property of rational numbers, that is commutativity. You may have studied this property under whole numbers and integers also in the previous classes. So commutativity means what? The concept is same whatever you have studied about whole number and integer. The concept about the commutativity is it is just about order. That means you can change the order of the number whether it exists under that particular operation or not, that we will see here about rational number. That means if we see about addition, so here we have to see that it tells us that rational numbers can be added in any order, but we have to check it. Here I am not telling you they are equal. We have to check it and then we will prove it, right? So first we are going to see addition of two rational number. We will see they are commutative under addition or not. So let us start. I have written two integers here, two rational numbers here. Now I will add them and in both the orders. First it is, consider it, first rational number is A and second one is B. So here it is A plus B. Then I have changed the order B plus A. We will solve it in both the cases and then we will compare their answer whether we get same answer in both the case or different, right? So here I am going to solve the first left hand side part. We have two rational numbers in addition. 3 and 4 have LCM 12. Right, to make this 3 12 we multiplied with 4, so numerator also will be multiplied with 4. So 2 4s are 8. Then this plus 4 turned to 12, that means it is multiplied with 3. So numerator also will be multiplied with 3. Minus 1 into 3 we have minus 3. 8 plus minus minus 3 upon 12. So we got 5 upon 12. Answer of left hand side we got 5 upon 12. Now I will solve this right hand side part. Right, here I have changed the order. It was 2 by 3 plus minus 1 by 4. Now minus 1 by 4 plus 2 by 3. Order has been changed. Operation is same, addition. So let us see here. Again the LCM will be 12. This need to be multiplied with 3. Minus 1 into 3 we get minus 3. Plus it need to be multiplied with 4 to make it 12. So numerator also. So 2 4s are 8. Minus 3 plus 8 will get 5 here. And denominator is 12. So you can see here in both the case answer is same. Sum in case of LHS is 5 by 12 and in RHS also 5 by 12. The numbers, sign, that is the nature of the number, negative, positive, everything is same. So that as we got LHS is equals to RHS here, so we can say that rational numbers are commutative under addition. Now we are going to see about subtraction. Commutativity under subtraction means rational numbers can be subtracted in any order. A minus B is equals to B minus A if it exists under subtraction. So let us check it whether it is right or not. So here as the answer were same, so we can say that yes, it is right, that rational numbers can be added in any order. Right? Now let us do it in case of subtraction. The same rational numbers I have taken but with minus subtraction now. So the same LCM 12, then it will become 8 minus 3. So here their difference will get 8 minus plus 3 upon 12, that is 11 upon 12. Okay, difference of these two rational numbers is 12. Now let us do right hand side of this. B minus A. Now the second number shifted to first place and first shifted to second place. Again LCM is 12. So this required to be multiplied with 3. So minus 1 into 3 we get minus 3 minus, this need to be multiplied with 4. So 4 2s are 8. So here we got minus 3 minus 8 by 12. Minus 3 minus 8 minus 11 upon 12. So you can see a great difference between them. It's positive 11 by 12. It's negative 11 by 12. So can we say they are equal? Along with the number, their sign should also be same. Then only we consider the cases same answer we got. So here LHS is not equals to RHS. So rational numbers are not commutative under subtraction. So this case is not correct. Clear? Now we'll see this property in case of multiplication. We will see we can multiply the rational number in any order or not. It is possible in addition, not possible in subtraction. We can't change the order of the rational number in subtraction. Now let us see that changing of order is possible in multiplication or not. So we have to check it here whether A into B is equals to B into A or not. So the two rational numbers we have taken here, we will see their product in changing order. First, this is A into B. Numerator into numerator. 2 into minus 1, we have minus 2. Upon 3 4s are 12. Now second one into first one. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2. And 4 into 3, 12. We got same answer in both the case. That means order of the rational numbers can be changed in case of multiplication. So rational numbers are commutative under multiplication. So commutativity exists under multiplication of rational number. Now see the last case, that is division. A divided by B is equals to B divided by A. Let us check whether it is correct or not. So here 2 by 3 into its reciprocal minus 4 upon 1. So we get their product as minus 8 upon 3. Now let us see the right hand side. Minus 1 by 4 into 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. Minus 3 upon 8. Yeah, so here we can see that this RHS is reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of the first case. Here we didn't get the same answer, right? So it's not possible if we will change the order of the numbers in case of division. So our answer will be changed. So we cannot divide the rational numbers in any order. Okay, so this commutativity does not exist under division of the rational number. So we can say that rational numbers are not commutative under division. So here we have seen the commutative property in all four cases, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Commutativity of rational number exists under addition and multiplication but not in subtraction and division. Hope this property is clear, students. If you like the video, please press the like button, share it as much you can, leave your queries in the comment box and please subscribe Padhai Ke Fun Day to get more videos. Thank you.